Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kaustav Banerjee. Thank you for giving me this big opportunity to represent myself as a science faculty teacher in a big platform like byjus. I have completed my graduation in zoology, and today's topic of discussions is human physiology. And what is called human physiology? The study of characteristics and mechanisms of human body system is known as human physiology. As we all know that bricks make a house, likewise hundreds of trillions of cells make a human body. Okay, like cells make tissues, tissues make organs, organ makes organ systems. Like in cells, there are two major important cells are there, like red blood cells, and another one is called white blood cells. What is called red blood cells? And there are 25 trillions of red blood cells are there in human body, and its main function is to transport oxygen from lungs to the rest of our body. Okay, and there are 11 to 16 trillion of white blood cells are there, and their main functions, its main function is to defend our body cells from foreign bodies like virus and bacteria. We'll come to the next one. Now the major three physiology systems are like, one is called the endocrine systems, another is called the nervous systems, and the third one is the immune system. What is called the endocrine system? The glands and the organs that make hormones directly release into the blood so that they can go directly into the tissues and accomplish all the major functions of the body. So this is the definition of endocrine systems, and this endocrine system includes so many systems like pituitary gland. What is called pituitary gland? Pituitary gland is actually located in the brain below the hypothalamus. It controls secretion of major various hormones, and it controls the growth, like development of body, okay, reproductions. So this is the major functions of pituitary gland. And you can also see that pineal gland is also there. Okay, pineal gland, it is located back part of the corpus callosum, and it secretes a hormone called melatonin. Okay, now we will go to the next one, is called thyroid gland. What is thyroid gland? Thyroid gland is located in the neck below the skin. Thyroid gland, it releases a major hormones known as thyroxine. What is thyroxine? Thyroxine, when inadequate secretion of thyroxine happens, hyperthyroidism as well as hypothyroidism disease occurs. Okay, so it's a major the main functions of this is to growth, development, and other major functions. Okay, it controls those things. Now come to the thymus. Thymus, what is thymus? It is present in the chest below the breastbone, and it matures a cells known as T cells. What is T cells? It's a T lymphocytes. It's a part of white blood cells. It has also a functions of controlling insulin. Okay, as you all know that excessive insulin is good for health. If the blood sugar level, if the level of insulin becomes low, then glucagon hormones will be gone up automatically, and diabetes disease will occur. Okay, so that's why insulin is a very important part, and these days, as we can see, that diabetes is many sides of India, so insulin is point to be noted. Okay, now we will come to the nervous system. What is the nervous system? It's a complex network. And organized network of nerve cells. Okay, so our nerve system has, one is called central nervous system. And what is central nervous system? It includes the brain and the spinal cord. And another one is called the peripheral nervous system. What is the peripheral nervous system? It is from spinal cord to the rest of our body. Okay, so you can see the diagram. It is a diagram of neurons. What is neurons? In human body, there are nearly 200 to 400 billions of neurons are there. So neurons is a basic unit of brain nerve cells. In neurons, you can see I have drawn and I have identified dendrite, nucleus. What is dendrite? Dendrite, it actually receives the nerve impulse from the other neurons. Okay, and you can see the nucleus, also myelin sheath, axon. In axon, it speed up the electrical impulse so that it can goes speedily from these neurons to other neurons. Okay, and what is myelin sheath? What is the function of myelin sheath? Myelin sheath actually works as a insulator. As you already know that insulator like rubber, wood, these are insulator, these are the bad conductor. Like this is a protein made myelin sheath. It actually works as an insulator in nervous system, in neurons. Now we will come to the next one, what is called the immune system. Immune system, it is a complex network of organs, cells and proteins that protects our body from foreign bodies like virus, bacteria, and protect our body cells. This system is known as immune systems. So immune system includes lymph nodes, where it is present, lymph nodes. Lymph nodes present is a terminal part like in armpits, in groin, in in the middle of the lungs, okay, in the side of the lungs. There lymph nodes are present. So the function of lymph nodes are managing the fluidity level, to managing the bacteria, deals with the cancer cells. These are the features, these are the characters or functions of lymph nodes. Now the main part is the bone marrow. What is bone marrow? Bone marrow makes white blood cells. White blood cells actually deals with the foreign body, makes antibody and deals with the antigen so that we can feel safe and so that we cannot get affected by the foreign bodies like virus and bacteria. White blood cells are various types of like eosinophil, basophil, monocyte, lymphocytes. These are the white blood cells. Hope you all have understood what I have discussed today, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Have a nice day.